15शी फाटी पेडण्यासावन सुरू जाल्ली काँग्रेसीची पदयात्रा फातोड्ड्या ग्राउंडार 16 डिसेंबराक राहुल गांधीचे सभेन सोंपतली. राहुल गांधीचे गोयचे शेड्यूल सांगतना लुईझिनान बीजेपीचोय कारभार वयर काडलो.
श्री राहुल गांधी तांकां ह्या पदयात्रेंत मेवतले आनीक that full padayatra will culminate at Fatorda stadium or Fatorda grounds. उणे 30 आनी 2 मतदारसंघांतल्या लोकांक एक संदी मेवली पदयात्रांत भाग घेवपाक आनीक जो लोकांचो तेंको लोकांची उर्बा आमकां मेवली एक खुशीची गजाल आहा. ही अर्थीक परिस्थिती. दुसरी आमी परिस्थिती पळयली जाल्यार उद्योग ना, नोकऱ्यो नाय, बेकारी वाडल्या आनी दुखाची गजाल शिकिल्ले भुरगे बेकार. गोंयची एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज तरी सांगता की उणे 1.5 लाख शिकिल्ले भुरगे बेकार. सो उदरगत ना, सुदारप ना, अर्थीक परिस्थिती वायट, उद्योग ना, नोकऱ्यो नाय आनी देखून आमी मानतात. आमी तरी सदां सांगताले तुमकां, तुमी आयकनासले. आयज जेन्ना एक ह्या मंत्री मंडळांतलो सिनियर मिनिस्टर सांगता तो गोंयकारांनी आयज समजून घेवपाची गरज आहा. देखून लोकांचो एक भरपूर तेंको आमच्या जनजागृती यात्राक मेवलो. These loans which have been taken for the last 5 years has definitely not gone for the development and progress of Goa. It has gone to repay the earlier loans or to repay the interest of earlier loans or to repay the salaries. उदारगत सुदारप विकास करपाक पयशे हाय.
मडकयकार पक्ष सोडटा म्हूण खबरो येतात. ताचेरूय राणे उलयलो. पक्षांतर करतात ते खंय उंदीर, ते फक्त उडयो मारतात. काँग्रेस एका मनशाचो पक्ष न्ही.
There are people who think and show that we have not done something, we have not done this, we have not done that, and they're jumping out. You see, the question is, what have they done? If they were in the party, what they have done for the party? When opposition points out that you have done this, 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 were you able to reply? I don't want to say much. These are matters that have been discussed in the assembly during Mr. Parikar's time also. Let them face it. Those who can't face, jump out like rats. हो पार्टी नासलो मरे, अजूनही आसा मरे, अजून सोडूंक ना. Party is not only a single man party, like what's happening elsewhere. It's a party of everybody, MLAs, members of the party, and we have to work together, not individually. It's no use pointing fingers at a individual. We have to work together.
आपाची कसिनोवाड सयांची मोहीम चल्ल्या. सयो घेवंक खंय ते सिनियर राणेच्या घराय पावले. राणे म्हणटात दिल्लीवाल्यांनी जाय जाल्यार स्वताचे ताकदीर आंदोलन करचे.
A lot of young people hoping to work for the party, and there are some parties which have come from Delhi over here. I think yesterday or day before they were standing outside my house, my compound. I didn't call them. Somebody might say that Rane Vita Apan के बाहेर रावले रस्त्यार. I got a big compound. It's a farm. They're waiting outside. Then my security said, ते आयला म्हणटा ते can I let them in? I said, किती I have not invited them. 10 लोक रावले टोपयो घालून. Then They said we are moving to all the MLAs, those who are elected MLAs, to take their signatures. And they wanted my signature. No, I don't sign like that. So they wanted signatures of MLAs to ban the casino. I said, go and take people who are really affected in that area. Why are you taking my signature? I am not giving you my signature. I'll let it on. AAP can agitate themselves. Why do they need our help? We have, my PCC president has already spoken about this, what he wants to do. But as far as AAP is concerned, only boards are there.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी.